all you geologists, rock lovers, and rock hounds out there. Have I got the perfect piece to add to your landscape with these amazing rock pieces that are drilled to be fountains. These are all made in America. The guy takes an awesome cool drill bit and goes all the way up through these unique pieces of stone. This one is amazing with all the colors and ribs, so much character to it. As it ages, it will grow some algae on it, but don't worry, if you don't like that look, grab a soft scrub brush, put some algicide in, and it'll stay looking clean and nice for you. These can be small or super large. And you're looking at this piece and going, is this safe to have around kids? I have this out in the middle of our walk area. People walk over the basin and walk past these pieces all the time. I'm going to show you exactly how this guy puts these together and keeps them so these fountains are awesome and safe in your landscape. Okay, so here is a dry fountain so you can see exactly how they're all put together. So we've got the rock piece here, and as you pan down here, we've got a solid steel base that this is attached to. Now, see, the rock isn't attached, but it has that pipe that it is attached to. Now, you're not gonna sit here and try to shove this over like a linebacker, but if you bump into these, it's all good. Not going to fall over. These are just the most unique, super cool pieces. So if you're into rocks or you're just into a super cool look, come visit us at Nelson Nursery and pick out your own masterpiece in your geology world.